We're going to start working the long tube back in next. All right, so with the OEM pipe out here, we have the new one. You can see one side is just a little bit longer. That's going to be here on the front side. So basically we have to work this around this corner like this into this position. Now, one thing I'm going to recommend, and I've seen this done a couple of different ways. So gapping this back, you should be able to see right here where my hand is. This is the shrouding that went around the OEM pipe right here. You can see it's soft rubber on this side, it's soft rubber on this side. The new pipe is larger diameter than this opening. Now, I've seen people successfully squeeze it through here. I've also seen people cut basically this back edge off right here and the top edge off right here, the top edge right here, and the top edge right here, basically to widen this space. The rest of the piece, which runs all the way underneath and is shrouding and runs all the way across the top, can stay. But if you take out this little bit of this narrow opening, you widen this opening, and it gets in much easier. So if you do want to take it a piece at a time, you could always just take off the back edge, which is going to give you a significantly more wider amount of space to fit the pipe through. If you have to, then you could then take off this front edge as well to give you this complete opening. Okay, so you basically just need to come at this. I'm going to take at least the back edge off as I come around. Now, I have also seen, just as if you're really struggling, you can always take out your hood latch here as well to be able to get your hand down on the inside. But you are going to have to take out a number of bolts. The probably T30s here and here, T25 here, T25 here, here, and here, to take this hood latch out and drop it out completely to be able to get your hand down in there. We're not going to do that unless we can if we can avoid it. We want to make this install as easy as possible.